Let me share it. You can see my screen, right? Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, let me edit this page. Let me remove this component. Let me add my component array playground. This is the playground which I have created. I mean, this component. Okay. This is the component which I have created. Okay. Now, let us look at the code and then we'll come to this point. Okay. See, uh, for everyone, I have used one more thing here. This one. Okay. These buttons, everyone know, na? Buttons, everyone know. All of you 11 members know this. What is the
Yeah.
button? Okay. So just one thing is here extra is this variant. Okay. Variant will give the color to that button. Okay. Brand means blue color, destructive means red color, success means green color. So like that, this variant label, I mean variant attribute, whatever I am using for this lightning button element gives the color. Okay. That's the only thing here extra. And one new thing which we are going to see today is lightning input. Okay. Then we will talk about the arrays again. Okay. This is like combination now. What is lightning input? What is lightning button? It's a button whenever someone clicks on this button. So something happens in the backend. Now, suppose you are logging into IntelliPart. Okay. You're logging into IntelliPart. Oh my God. Shit. So what are these things? What are these things? It's like a, it's like a input, right?
Input type.
Input type. So this input is different. This is a text input. Whenever it comes to this one, this is password input. Okay, password.
Password.
Whatever you enter, that will not be visible to you, but it is taken inside. So different kinds of inputs will be there. So, but overall, these are the inputs. Okay, even this is an input, but this input is of type checkbox. Okay, like this. If you open anything, so you will get a you'll any form, any login page, any sign up page, you need to give some input. So that means a UI requires input elements. A UI requires an input element. Here, to take the input from the LWC UI, what I can use special element here, lightning input. Okay.
Input.
Then we have to tell what is the type. So here the first basic one is a text type. Basic one is a text type. Label. What is label? The name. See, you can see here. Label. Enter an item. Okay. Label. Then whatever the value you are entering, na, that value where it should go. What should be the value that should be displayed there? That I am controlling here. Value. We'll see. Then what is on click? What is on click? When someone clicks on that, someone clicks on that button, then
Event.
something should
Event
happen.
get.
Event get triggered in the backend. The event will call that function. So that is the scenario. Here, on change event means suppose I type E. Now I. So for every word entering and deleting, there is a change in the input, na? Yes or no? There is a change. So whenever something changes in this box, then this event should trigger. Okay. Now, car if I write, no changes. Yes if I write, changes. So event will get triggered. Again, I removed yes, event will not be event will be triggered. Then I am calm. I'm not doing anything. So event will not be triggered. So when this event will happen, whenever there is change, any word is added, any letter is added, any full stop comma, anything is added, it will take into the consideration. So this is a one more event you have seen till today from past 4 days on click event. Now this is a on change event. Same. This also calls which one? Function only. JavaScript function. Where is the function? This is a JavaScript function. Whenever someone changes the input, enters the input one by one. So every time when a person is entering or deleting a letter, it changes, and this function will be called again and again and again. Okay. What this function is doing? It is assigning the data to the one property. This is a property only now. Variable, new item. This dot new item equals to, this is different for you now again. This is different. Okay. So this is different. Why this is different? Because actually, how I should say, whenever someone clicks on that button, then I should write like this. Let's add Kalyan. So manually I used to write. Okay. But now I'm using the technology. What technology? Whenever the event is getting triggered, now, where the event got triggered? In which element? Speak, come out of the mute. Varshit and Bhavani, this you need to understand very much. And even Raghunandan, or whoever part of the this batch should understand this more clearly. Okay. When this event is happening, whenever there is a change in the input, yes or no? Okay. Whenever change is happening in this input element, then this function is getting called. Okay. This function is getting called. What function will do is it will give us something called as event. Okay. Event means like it's like a pot. Okay. It's like a pot. It's like a data for us. It's like a data for us. Event you will get it. So inside the event, what will be there? Target will be there. Okay. Then labels will be there. So different things will be there. Okay. Now inside this target, what I want? Value of the target. Target means what here? Target means whenever the person is enter the data, so on which element it is happening? On the input element. So that is the target now. Event dot target dot value. That value you store it where? Into the new item.
New item.
Into the new item.
అంటే వాట్ ఈస్ ద వాల్యూ ఇయర్ అంటే దేన్ని టార్గెట్ చేస్తుంది?
See,
టార్గెట్.
one second. First we'll come step by step again. First we are getting the event. Okay. Which event? Onchange event. Yes or no?
Onchange. Yeah.
Onchange event is calling which method? Handle input method. Handle input method. Inside the handle input method, what this what this event is getting passed? Something called as event.
It is targeting.
It is event. So this event, what it tells is on which element that event happened. It will tell us on which element. This one, right?
On value.
Input. No, input
value
element.
Input.
No, input element.
Okay.
Input is the element. Lighting input is the element. We say component, we say element. Okay. So what is target now? Target is nothing but this lighting input. This fourth line is the target now. Okay. This event happened on that fourth line. It is telling us.
Okay, it is storing in database.
It is from the back in the back end. It is telling that this event is happening on this particular target.
Okay.
Now inside that target, what we want? The value.
Yeah. Target dot value.
Target dot value. I can say target dot label also. I'll get label. Target dot type. So I want what? This target
dot value.
Value means whatever the person entered on the UI, that I will store it in the new item. Okay, that I'll store it in the new item. So
new item.
Event dot target dot value. Event means where the event, what is the event? Okay. Then target means where the event happened. Then value means inside that element, whatever you see here, element or component, Lightning Web base component we call. These are special components, base components in Lightning Web components. If you talk about HTML, this is element. Okay, this is element, na? Common element, paragraph element, Lightning input element. You can call that like that way. So inside this element, the event has happened. Now, from this, what you want? The value the person entered, I want. Okay, that I will store it in the new item. And immediately I will display here. This na, displaying.
Yeah.
So
Calling.
yeah, I'm saving like this. I'm saving the value into the new item, and
In.
that new item only again I'm showing in the place of value. Suppose if I don't write this one, so this will not be remaining completely. So just remember, we are calling again. We are giving the value. We are calling it back again. We'll understand real time. We'll see practically now also. So just try to understand this special or something new topic for you. Lightning input. Okay,
Okay.
lightning input will take the event and pass it to the this method or this function. This function will capture that event and inside the target. From the target, it will take the value and it will give us the uh, person entered value. Now what we'll do next, we'll see. Okay. Now
Okay.
what we'll do next, we'll see. So what is the data now inside the new item? Suppose let us do practically here now. Hmm. Mm, Kalyan. Okay. Kalyan entered. Kalyan is in which element now? New item, na?
New item.
Kalyan is in a new item. Okay. Kalyan is in new item. Now, new item is Kalyan. Okay. Oh my God, this is not visible. Yeah, new item is Kalyan. Now, now, what happened? I want to click a button. Which button? Add item. Okay.
Add item.
Add item. Let's see. Add item.
Yeah,
If
it
I
is
click,
displaying.
yeah, it is displaying. But inside backend, what it is doing? Let's see. If I click on add item, this method is called. I'll show you. This button add item is calling which method? Which function?
Add item.
Add item
Add item.
function. This add item function, what it is doing? Let's see. Okay. If okay, if if means right? So some
Condition.
condition,
Yeah.
some condition. If this dot new item, this not new item, trim you forgot. Okay, trim you leave it. We will understand. But till just understand. If there is a new item, there is a new item, na? Kalyan is the new
Yeah.
item, na? Inside the new item, there is a value. So if there is a value in the new item, then what you do, it is telling this
This dot
dot
item.
items equals to, okay, whatever the data till now it was there inside the new items, that you take it, and whatever the newly entered the data, na Kalyan, that you take it and combine and store it in which one more new
New
variable.
item.
No, no.
Yeah. Okay.
See what it is telling is what
But
this
there is
line.
no
Hmm.
item. అంటే ఇంతకు ముందు item like
Ah,
this
yeah,
dot
yeah.
item.
So no item. So first initially there was no item, but here there
No
was
item.
Kalyan now.
Kalyan. Yeah.
So
It
finally
is
what will
storing
be
in
the
items.
so finally what will be the value? Only in the inside the items also, inside the
Kalyan.
and the inside items also Kalyan only will be there. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Then now next iteration. That means next iteration. Okay. Next iteration, what I will do? Let's add Raghu. Now what is the new item value? Inside the new item, there is no Kalyan now. What it is there now?
Raghu.
Raghu. Now whenever someone clicks this button, Raghu will be also taken. Okay. Now understand this scenario. Now here, Kalyan already there in the items. Along with that Kalyan, the new
One
item is
more
now
name added.
Raghu. So these two
Raghu.
items it is taking and it is displaying. Clear?
Yeah. Yes.
Ha. Now let us understand the logic here. Okay. Let's understand logic here again. Varshit, are you getting the point? Bhavani?
Yes.
Huh? So whatever that whenever someone enters, this one is clear, na? This one is clear, na? Seventh, eighth, ninth
Yeah.
lines are clear, na?
Yeah. Yeah. Clear.
So whatever the data you are entering, so that you are checking, is there a new, but that you are storing in the new item. Initially it was, let's say, now table. Okay, table. Let's talk about items. So table. Now that table is there in the new item. Okay, in the new item. Now, along with that table, okay, sorry, is there any items before? No, no items. Okay, so only table got added to the items. Okay, then new item got to null again. See, if you don't refresh this thing, na, inside the new item only Kalyan will be there. You have to write like this. So after assigning the new items to the Kalyan, new items to the items, change the new item to nothing again. Okay, then then if you see, uh, if you run it again, means if you enter the data again, so first it was a table, then you add chair, then again in the next iteration table is there, chair is there, then you add some other item, lamp. Okay, so each time you click on add item, the old
This will
items,
store a
whatever,
new item.
yeah, whatever the data there in that new items and the newly entered item, that both are combined as a list and array, array, and added to the items. Okay,
New item.
so that is this is logic. What is this operator? Okay, what is this operator? We'll talk about that operator, but try to understand the like a scenario here. Okay, now remove the remove. If I click it, removed, one item is removed. So what remove is doing? This items slice 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 0 comma 1. You can write slice 0 comma 1, or you can write some other things as well. I'll show you, but slice will do. What is items? It's array, na? Items is a array. So what slice will do is it will remove the item. Okay, what is the index? We'll see. Just understand the like functionality here. Okay, don't try to go in depth. So you are removing the item whenever someone clicks on this button. Now sort items, let's say, remove all the items, table, chair, lamp. Okay, now let me sort it. So you got in a ordered way. Okay, some alphabetical order, chair, lamp, table. So what I have done here on this items, I have used the sort
Sort.
method. Okay, sort method will do the items. Sort method will do the what we
Alphabetical
say,
order.
alphabetical order. Don't worry about this one. Okay, don't worry, filter items. So this you have to understand looping and mapping concepts. So just for the further examples I have written this one, so don't consider this one. These three are clear for you? These three clear for you?
Yeah. Yeah.
Hmm? Let us go to the array methods in JavaScript. Okay, only three methods I have shown you, but can you see here how many methods are there? Array length means it will give you the length of the array. Length of the array means how many elements are there in array. Now array dot toString, it will convert the complete data to the string, comma separated string. At join, push, pop. Pop means remove the last item. Push means add it to the last
Add.
place. Okay, shift, unshift. Shift, unshift means delete the the first item and move the item, right shift, left shift. We'll see it. Okay, then there are delete, concatenation of two. Okay, array flatten method, array splice method, array slice method. So these are the different types of methods. Okay, we'll see here only now. Later, it's on you to create these buttons, create this everything. Okay, create everything. You create a separate method, separate buttons, and test it yourself. But let us understand here. What does the length will do? It will give you the length of the array. See,
Array.
okay, length of the array. So what is the fruits length now here? 1, 2, 3, 4. So it gives the 4. Now if I add one more item,
3.
Mhm. Let me run it again. You got the 5 items? 5 items. The length of the array is 5. Means there are 5 items in this array. Now let us try another method. So there are multiple methods, okay? ToString. ToString, what it will give? See, the result is given here. So it is as a separate values, na? If you do it to a string, so banana, orange, Malayalam, mango, sorry, apple and mango will be like in one single string. When this will be useful? When there is a array of first name, comma, last name. Okay, first name and last name. So if I want to print like Kalyan Chakravarti got comma Malayala, so I can use this method now, ToString. So there are multiple use cases for each and every method. I have every method. Okay, are you getting this? I mean, are you understanding this one, or you are confused?
Can you repeat?
Okay, ToString is a method that you can use it on any of the array, like fruits array here, to convert the whatever the data here to a single string. Okay, this is not a like a separate data now. This one is a single string, comma separated. Okay, no, you didn't get this.
Yeah, got it.
If I am printing this one toString, okay, if I am printing this toString na, this toString will print all the data at once, like comma separated. Okay, these are not the single string. This is a complete one single string. It will convert complete array to one single string. Okay, now 8 to 2. 8 to 2 means what it will give? See, 8 to 2 will get the, this index concept. You can write like this, or how you will write it? You can write even like this now. You can ask 2. Yes or no? Fruits 2. Yesterday we have seen,
Yeah. Yeah.
even you practice Jitendra, yeah? So like that. Now see here, you can use this one or this one. 8 method returns an index element from an array. 8 method returns the same as this one. 8 method is supported in all modern something like. Now join. Join means what? Let's see. Okay, you have seen like comma separated. Now it's like a toString only. It gives star in between. It's up to us. I can give hyphen also. Yes or no? Join means join all the elements by using these characters. Okay, clear? Not clear?
Clear,
What
clear.
is the major difference between join and
ToString.
yes?
ToString will give only commas in between.
Okay.
Okay, if you want to have any other characters, then you have to go with the join.
Join.
Okay, it behaves just like a toString, but in addition, you can specify a separator. Which separator you want? A character, I mean, underscore or star. 1 second. Hmm. Okay. Next, popping and pushing. You know this one. Okay. If you say pop, the fruits value will be updated to banana, orange, and apple only. Mango will be removed. Okay. If you say push kiwi, so kiwi will be added to the last place. Okay. Push and pop. Shift. So method removes the first array element and shifts all the other elements to a lower index. Means so if you say banana, orange, apple, mango, so if you see the banana which is in the starting will be removed. So and the all the elements will go. I mean will move forward. Okay. Now 0 will be orange, 1 will be apple, and 2 will be mango. Okay. Shift, unshift. Okay, changing of elements, at the 0th place how you have to change, at the first place you have to how you have to change, that yesterday only we have seen. array length, array delete. So you practice. So concat is the most important thing, concatenation. So concatenation in the sense adding two. See, girls, then concat my boss means the complete 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 elements will be added into one single array. It's like combining two arrays. Okay, combining two arrays. See, you can even combine three arrays. Okay, merging of three arrays. Okay, you have to remember the syntax. Okay, syntax for sure. If you have only one, then like this. If you have two arrays, so comma separated. What is first one? This is a base array. Means first what you have to uh, display. First you have what you have to add. The zeroth place will be this one. First place will be this one. So like that. Merging an array with values. So add this one with Peter. Like it's like a pop only. Sorry, push only, right?
కళ్యాణ్ ఇప్పుడు అది అరే వన్ ఇప్పుడు డిఫాల్ట్ గా ఉంటది అది ఎప్పుడు
No, you can change the name. If I have fruits here, fruits and vegetables. So fruits dot concat vegetables I will write.
No, I'm saying like const array1 will be default in the first place, right? Or
Huh.
we can
See,
change
you
array2
can change
dot
array to
concat.
also. You can change array to also.
Yeah.
Array2 dot concat means what happens? These three things will
Mm-hmm.
be first and this will come after.
Okay, done.
Okay.
Done.
Hmm. So then again flat method also same. This flat method you will understand tomorrow. We'll be having we'll be talking about multi-dimensional arrays means array inside array again inside array, we can say multi-dimensional. We have like even in the other basic languages like C and Python also we have this multi-dimensional arrays concept where arrays will be there in arrays, 2D arrays we say, 3D arrays we say, 4D arrays. In the real time the data will be in that way only. There will be no simple data like this one. Okay, there will be complex data in real time where arrays will be inside the arrays. So how to access a particular element when there is a 2D array, that we'll be talking tomorrow. Okay, as I said, arrays will be a big topic for the JavaScript because if you understand arrays, then only you can understand more complex data types. So but for today, uh, you have to practice these all different methods. Okay, don't go with the methods like this flat map, like this. Okay, map flat, we'll see tomorrow. Slice, you can go slice, you try to understand what is the, I mean, slice and splice. Okay, you try to understand just this flat, like this multi-dimensional arrays concept, you don't touch. I'll share it with you. Okay, you can try it inside this one only. This is very good tool, this W3 schools, where we can practice there itself. But if you want to try that in the our Salesforce, then that will be very good. You'll be having that examples lifelong, as well as as long as you have the playground with you. Okay, is it clear till now the concept? So Varshit, Raghunandan, Jeshwant, is the concept clear? Even Bhargav and Jitender, this concept we haven't seen, right?
Yes, sir. It's
Yeah,
clear.
yeah. Manoj,
Anna, can you please
Yes,
explain
sir.
that once
Sir,
again?
once show this concatenate example, sir.
concatenate example. Raghu, what's your doubt? Which one?
Not this, which you have already developed that in
Okay,
Salesforce.
okay. Let us try first.
Or else let's try in a new page, like creating a new.
Oh, I'll create a new button. Shall I create a new button?
Yeah.
Don't worry about any other thing. Just think this is a new button. Okay, new button. Then this button on clicking will call handle.
No, not in this. Create one more.
Okay, you
Use.
want to have a new one?
Mm.
1 second. Okay, let me go with the 1 second now. Let's take this one only. Lightning card. This one, no? Lightning card?
Yeah.
Hmm. So one more closing tag. Then we have the paragraphs.
First we have to write the input, right?
Okay.
Then we return.
No, I'm not dealing with the input. I'm just showing with the dynamic data, static data. You want to have the lightning input?
Yeah.
Okay. Text label, let's say label equals to enter array.
Sir, that means it is similar to list and map.
Yes. Not map. List.
Oh, list. Okay.
List in Apex you have seen, no?
Yes.
Yeah. Same
We use
concept.
different we use different function to add or remove the element. That's it.
We have used different like concept. Like declaring
Concept
also,
slice.
we have seen
Yes.
list of map, like list of strings we have written, list of integers we have written. So here also the
Yes,
same
sir.
thing, but we have different syntax. But the
Yeah, syntax.
concept, the way how the memory, I mean how the computer stores this one is same. That one only list. Okay,
Yeah, sir.
list or array, like both are same.
Yeah.
Hmm. Hmm. You want to write total thing, Raghu? What you want exactly?
No, ఇదే అన్న. I want
Uh-huh.
this only.
Only only input you want?
Yeah, input. And
Oh,
input and that should store in a database and it should display as output. Same
okay.
as what which you have written in previous.
Because if it takes much time again to write completely, so I'll write one functionality. Okay.
No, yeah, only one functionality.
Yeah.
So that we can.
Hmm. Okay. Lightning button merge to on click. Okay, handle merge. I'll make it more easy for you. And 1, 2. Element 1, element 2, handle element 1, handle element 2. Then whenever someone clicks on this button, then it should happen. Event equal to brand. Sorry, this is a button. Yeah, this is a button. Yeah, lightning button. Now let us.
What is variant? Is it
Variant
just
is a
attribute voice?
yeah, it's like a attribute. These are attributes, na? We'll say attributes, okay?
Uh,
These are the
okay.
element, these are the opening tag, and this is the closing tag. So inside the opening tag, whatever we write now, those are called as attributes. Attributes means which adds more information to that particular element, okay? What this attribute is doing, it is adding a name, okay? What
Merging
this is,
to
what is this doing? Event. What event it should function? It is doing. Then what is variant? Variant will give the color. Okay. If you see the old
yeah.
example,
How can we know that color? Which color
we have that one.
we
There
want?
is there are other concept.
Brand
Okay.
like.
Yeah, that is another
uh,
concept. SLDS. We have said
Okay.
Salesforce Lightning Design System, where we will be learning what is success, what is destructive. So there are special. Okay. You can use CSS as you know styling. We'll go with the CSS, but this is more easiest way. Okay. We'll understand. Even in that we
Okay.
have lighting buttons, inputs, everything. See whatever I'm right, I have written this one. Okay. Okay. To make your web page more user friendly, we have and colorful, we have SLDS. We'll talk about that one. Okay.
Okay.
But try to understand that is one property, that is one attribute which adds some color. Brand means it will go blue color. Success green color. Okay.
But how can we remember that? Like in real time, how can we know that which color we want? How
See,
can we remember that
suppose
all
I am
the
your client.
salt?
Say I'm your client. So I'm your client. I ask you that there should be a submit button and a cancel button. Okay.
Okay.
Submit generally it will be blue color. Anyway, everywhere you see. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Ah,
Yeah.
and cancel will be either blank or green, red
Or
color. Red
red
color.
color.
So
Yeah.
these are the two things you know. Now you have this lightning design system where you can have it any color you want, you can have it. But
Mm-hmm.
most used, see, most used colors are green, red, shaded red, or
Blue.
blue, shaded blue. So this like that, there will be like only these things will be used more, okay, or complete black, ash color.
Okay.
So like this. So for this special, for this most used thing, na, Salesforce has given few names for us. Few names,
Mm-hmm.
only like only 6, 7. So by practice, that's called experience. When you keep on developing, keep on developing. So even after, so suppose this is your first class. After 1 week, if I go on creating multiple buttons with multiple variants, so in the eighth class, you will only tell me which color to use. So that comes with the practice. Okay. No, there will be no hundreds of for hundreds colors. There will be no 100 names for few colors. Only for few colors.
Mm.
The most used colors will have this one. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Hmm. So see here, green, blue, red. Everywhere this will only repeat. Okay.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Hmm. Now merged data equal to, so merged data is, let's see, let's print the final array. Okay. Now we see backend how we'll can control this control this logic. Okay. I'm I'm like trying to explain both of your queries. Like I think Varshit, it was he asked you what is about merge, right? I mean concatenation. Okay. Let's see. Go to the JavaScript. Sorry, not this. Other example. Yeah, this one. Let me create two properties. One is element one equals to nothing initially. Then we have element two. This is also nothing initially, empty. Then we have final something, right? Final, yeah. Final array. Final array equals to nothing initially. Okay. Now
This element 1 and 2 are we entering any array?
1 second. 1 second. Let me print element 1 here. Two. Tell me now.
Are we printing array in this? Like in JavaScript, we have if we print array, we should give the bracket, right?
Bracket.
But you have given a single quote in JavaScript.
In JavaScript. I'm not printing here. Assigning the data. Empty data. Nothing. No data here now.
Empty. Okay.
Okay. Your question is this one, right?
Yeah.
We see. I'm thinking it's like a normal empty string first initially. See, in the JavaScript, you have a facility to change the data type anywhere. Suppose in the C language or any other language, if you have practiced, if you write string element 1, then you can't change it to array element 1. Okay. This is another languages. Even in the Apex, you have that one. But here we have a easiest way to change this like data type. So that's why I have taken like this. Okay. To empty. You can write even like this. So it will be a perfect array. Okay. To show that there is nothing. So I have written that way. Okay. Initially there is nothing now. Okay. Now let's say element 1. Okay. Element 1. Let's create a method for handling element 1. One second. Instead of element 1. So element 1 will be a string. Okay. Element 1 will be a string. Final array will be that one. Okay. Let's have two more. Array 1 equals to array 2 equals to empty string. Okay. Now handle element 1. This is a button. Okay. This is like a method. Now that method will give you the event. Now what we'll do is whenever someone enters the data there, okay, we save it.
Store it in
element 1.
this
This
dot
element 1
element
equals
1 equals to event
dot whatever the target it is
dot
targeting, then insert that
value.
whatever value the person has entered. Okay. Now this will be the handle element 1. Now similarly handle element 2. Okay. Now let us test till here only. Let us test till here. Okay. Element 2. Then we'll
But
talk.
it is storing, but it is not giving output. If we say if we run this, it will store the data, but we need an output, right?
Where output?
It is storing. Once you run, let's see.
Okay. One second. Not this one. Okay. Let's say Kalyan is the first element of the first array. Bhargav is the second element of the second array. You got no here?
Click on merge.
Hmm?
What
Merge,
will happen if we click on merge?
merge nothing function I have written. Na? Don't get confused. Raghu. See, listen. When this button will function? When if you click on that button. And after clicking, there should be a function that should run. So for this too, I have written a function called onchange. Means whenever there is a change in the input, this function will be called again and again. There are two functions. So that function is giving the value into the element one. That element one I am printing in the 7th and 8th line. But in the 9th line, I have printed final array. Did I have any? Do I have any method to handle that? No, na?
No. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Handle add. Okay. Handle add to one. Okay. Handle add. Let's say handle add to array one. Add to array one. Okay. There is another method. Then we have handle add. Handle add to array 2. Okay. Then we'll have another method, handle merge. Okay. These three we have tried. Means what are these two now? Just a normal strings. Okay. Normal strings now. Now this string, you have to store that string in the array 1. Then
array 1 and 2.
Array 1 and 2. Okay.
Yeah.
So we have this logic. Add item. Okay. Wait. Why this total? Only this one. But to which array you have to add? Array 1 na?
Array 1.
So array 1 you have to add it to this one, and this is array 1, and instead of new item, what you have to add? Element 1. Okay. Along with the array 1 you have to add element 1 to this the same array. Okay. Then element 1 should be again null. Element 1 you check it. Then same concept here, but instead of this one it will be element 2. Bhargav, Harshit, are you getting this one?
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Varshit? No?
Yeah, I
Yes.
got it.
Okay.
Got it.
Just I am assigning each one by one element. I am checking if the element is there, and checking that element is there or not. Then along with the previous data, I am adding this new data. Okay. To the same array. So array will be updated again and again. Okay. If you don't want that one, there is another way. There is another way also. You have push na? Push this dot array one dot push element 1. Can I write like this? This
Yeah,
also works now. It
it
is
will
easy now.
add
It will add the one element to the last.
last. Yeah.
Same that one only here happening. For the existing data, I am adding the one more data and storing it in a same array. Same whatever this one line is doing, this is doing.
Mm.
But this is a
Yeah.
more accurate way of controlling the data. Okay.
Mhm.
But
Okay.
even this is also fine. This is very easy and very easy to understand. Bhavani, is it clear this concept?
Yes.
So whatever this
Yes.
single
Yes.
line is doing, this line is doing. These two lines, this sorry, not this one line is doing. Adding item to the array. This is also adding item to the last place. Okay. Yeah, that's fine now. Let's save it. Okay. But we have to create buttons now. Let us create the buttons. Where is that? Yeah. To add that elements. Lightning button. Let's change the brand. It's success and success, the variant. Then instead of merge, what is the button name? What is the method name? Sorry. Handle merge 1, then handle merge 2. Add element 1 to array 1. Similarly, the second button name is add element 2 to array 2. Okay. Clear? Raghu, till here, is it clear?
Yeah, clear.
Okay. So when you enter in the data is getting stored and displaying here. Now, similarly, whenever you are whenever clicking that button, then in the backend, it should store it to the array 1, and next it should also store it to the array 2. Clear? Okay. Let me comment this one. Only these two lines we are considering. So this was the merge. I didn't written it. Okay. I haven't written merge yet. 1 second. Yeah. Okay. Okay. First, let's say fruits. Okay. Mango. Okay. Then let's add it mango to add element 1 to array. Okay. What happened? This didn't function. Let's see. Okay. Add now. Mango is done. Nah? Yeah, mango is displaying. Yeah. Now fruits is apple. Okay. You can see here, na? The array 1 is updating. Yes or no?
Yeah, yeah.
Then cherry. Okay. This is what? Array 1. Okay. This is array
Yeah.
1. Let me write here. Let me write here. Element 1 is then element 2 is this one. Then similarly array 1 is okay. Sorry, I'm taking longer for today class. We'll wind up in 5 minutes. Array 2 is this one. Okay, let me save it. Okay, you can see empty now, all empty now. Okay, let us add one by one. Apple is here. See, you can see now here apple. Now apple is added to array 1. Then mango is added to array 1. Then cherry is added to. Okay, now let's add vegetables to the array 2. Okay, tomato added, spinach added, mirchi added. Raghu, till here it was
Yeah.
your query. Is that clear, your query?
Yeah, it's clear.
Okay, this is very clear now.
Yeah.
Now see here why it is becoming little tough is we are trying to understand the like JavaScript along with our LWC, these buttons, inputs, and everything. So it will become
Yeah.
little tough. So but once again you will practice now the same thing. It will be very easy because this is no complex things we have learned today. The only one thing we have learned today, input, and the other thing is like this event, handling of event. Okay. Then
Yeah.
if you talk more, then we have seen few functions like concatenation array. So we are yet to see the concatenation. Okay, don't get
Yeah.
confused a lot. Now let us see
Yeah.
merge. Merge. Now, Varshit, what is the syntax of the merge? Varshit, you there? No, he left the class.
Yeah, I'm there.
Okay. This dot final array. What will be the syntax? First array dot. Okay. First array dot concat in the bracket the second array. That's it, right? So what is first array? The array one. Okay. Then this dot array one dot concat in the bracket. What should be the addition? The second array? Array 2, no, sorry, not array 2. This dot array 2. This dot array 2. Okay. When this will happen? When this will be concatenated? Whenever someone clicks on this button. Okay. Clicks on this merge to arrays button where this will call this method. Okay. And here the merged data will be printed here. Hmm. Now, again, same concept, mango, apple, we'll go with the two only, tomato, then spinach. Okay, now what we have to check? Merging functionality. Let us click this button. It got merged, right? Clear? Merge in the sense concatenation, adding one after the other, one after the other. Clear?
Yeah. Clear.
Now you have one more array. Let's say you have one more array. Okay, one more array. Let's create here only const, or let me say let array 3 equals to.
No, we can directly write in this sort method also, right? In this dot final array and at ending.
At which place? At which line you are telling? Hello.
39th line. 39th line.
Yeah,
39th
here
line.
also you can write. Here
Yeah,
also you can write.
if you want to sort it in
Yeah.
alphabetical order,
If you want to
you
sort, you
can
can write it here. That this dot
directly
array
you can
one
write
dot
the
sort.
dot sort. Yeah.
Yes. Okay. Potato, which then we'll add this array 3 to here. Okay. Now these both are added to this one, and we'll be displaying the final array. Okay. This array is like a static array. Static means what? I haven't created dynamically using the input. Whatever the two are my dynamic arrays. So I can change the input, I can add it, I can delete it. Okay. Just give me a minute. Yeah. Let us try it again. Oh my God. Okay. Let me add it. Apple, let me add it. Tomato, let me add it. Spinach, let me add it. Then let me merge. Can you see? Can you see here? Clear?
Yeah.
Is it clear for everyone? No
Yes.
yet.
Yeah.
Okay. Please do practice. Please do practice. This is very easy to practice. Okay. So do practice. Have you practiced this arithmetic operators? I mean operators, the different types of operators. Yes or no? No.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes. Oh, good. Good. Okay. Okay. Thank you. Let's meet up in the Monday's class. Bye.
Yeah, no, bye.
Enough.
All the recordings will be from now updated only on Saturday. Okay. Because of the recordings, what is happening is few of the persons are not attending the regular classes and I mean residing on the only uh, recordings. Okay. That's not a good approach. You are paying me for the live classes, but not for the recorded classes. If you want to go with the recording classes, you have YouTube also. They teach more better than me. But this is only for the live classes. Okay, you can ask doubts. I can check your capability. I can ask your questions. So please do attend. Okay. Every Saturday and Wednesday, 2 days, we will be updating the recordings. Okay. Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah. Thank you. Bye.
Yeah, no, bye.
Bye.